So I'm going to show you how to use BitVise to access the Raspberry Pi remotely. First of all, go to Google and search for BitVise, and then make sure you download it by just clicking download here. So I already have it on the system, so I'm going to just open it. BitVise. So the moment it opens, we are ready to use it. First of all, we need to scan the IP address to enable us know the IP address of our Raspberry Pi, and I'm going to need an IP scanner to do that. So the moment you scan, currently I'm on 192.168.43.1 gateway here. That's my gateway. So the moment you click on scan, it's going to keep scanning, and we expect it to find Raspberry Pi as one of its device connected in this network. So Raspberry Pi is not yet showing. Let's allow it to continue scanning until we find Raspberry Pi being picked up. So yeah, I can see Raspberry Pi here. So I'll just stop it. So you can see this is the IP address of our Raspberry Pi, 192.168.43.140. So I'm going to make sure that's what I have here. So .43. What? 140. Then I'm going to click on login, accept for this section. So also don't forget to put the username here as Pi. So the password is Raspberry. Don't forget that. So the moment you enter the password, click on OK. You can see it's saying authentication completed. So the moment I click on terminal, you can see that Pi Raspberry. So we're already on the terminal of Raspberry Pi. So you can just view, you can see desktop document, everything is there. So you can also view the SFTP window. The SFTP window is going to show you the files you have on your laptop versus the files you have on your Raspberry Pi. So you can easily copy from your system to the Raspberry Pi, or from Raspberry Pi to your system. So this makes it very awesome. So BitVise is a very awesome software for accessing Raspberry Pi remotely. So as easy as that. It's not difficult to work with. So now you can open documents. If you have an image, you can view the image and all that. So you have it here. Okay, thank you.